Hi, I'm Stephen Jones. I'm at the MIMS Museum, and I'm standing in front of KA-10, which is a KA-10 from 1968. This is serial number 175. It's originally from Finland, but now it's here.
Yep.
This is a 36-bit machine, and I'm going to be demonstrating a replica of this at the event on Saturday, Texplore. And what I want to demonstrate is what the Lakeside Programmers Group in Seattle was doing, which included Paul Allen and Bill Gates, Rick Whelan, and other folks. This machine was such a great breakthrough at the time because it allowed for time sharing to be possible in an economical sense. This was one of the most inexpensive machines, even at $500,000, but to be able to support 25, 30 users at a time. This is a 36-bit machine, and Bill and Paul were very interested in what Intel was doing with the microprocessor. And because they knew this machine so well, decided to write a simulator that would run on it so that they could fit the tiny little Intel processor into the 36-bit machine. So if you think about the 8080 processor, it's a little 40-pin DIP package, about that big. And that's a monolithic CPU. Everything's in there. It's just a computer on a chip. This is the CPU in the KA-10. This is all discrete components. That means transistors and diodes. There's very little as far as integrated circuits are concerned. So this whole section here makes up the CPU. And there's a little bit of fast memory and things like that, but even the memory is its own cabinet down here. So the reason why this machine can run is because it has a field update. And these are solid state supplies here. These replace the linear supplies, which are still in place. So you see the capacitors, and then you see these large transformers here. And so in the hobbyist community, there's been a replica that's been introduced in the past couple of years called a PDP-10. The PDP-10 is a Raspberry Pi-based replica. It's a scaled-down model of just the console. And what it does is it allows you to recreate the experience of using the console, programming with the switches here. You've got the address switches here and the data switches. These are 18-bit and this is 36-bit. The simulator allows you to run operating systems like TOPS-10, which is the time-sharing system that DEC distributed with the machine, but also some of the experimental operating systems like the incompatible time-sharing system out of MIT. So I'll be demonstrating ITS from MIT and TOPS-10, and on TOPS-10 I'm going to run the code that Bill Gates just released, which is the 8080 simulator that they wrote on this type of machine for the MIPS Altair 8800.